This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss module 4 of Introduction to Programming in C language, and the topic we're going to learn today is called the second section of a programming language in C programming language, which is called the main section. In our previous video we discussed the first section, which is the ling or the header section, and now we are going to cover the topic main section, which is the second section of a C program. It actually consists of 3 sections, so this is the second section we're going to learn today. And the main heading is the structure of a C program, how these all sections have their important role and why they are so important and what are their purposes in a C programming language. So let's start. It consists of a main function, every C program must contain a main function, and it's is the starting point of execution. It's very important. Main function. If you learn Java, then it is called main method. Now I'm gonna discuss the third one. The third section is body of main function. Okay. The body of main function enclosed in the curly braces like this. All the statements inside these curly braces make the body of main function. In the statement printf hello world uses semicolon, a predefined function printf to display the statement hello world on the computer output screen. I'm going to make it bold because this is the complete statement. Likewise, this is the complete function name, print function, and that was the message was displayed on the screen by using the printf function. We can also create other functions in our program and use them inside the body of main function. So I'm gonna write down the important note, which are very important in order to understand that what are necessary and what are not necessary things to be taken care of while executing a C program. So following points must be kept in mind in order to write syntactically correct C language program. And the points are: number 1, the sequence of statements in C language program should be according to the sequence in which we want our program to be executed. Second point, C language is case sensitive like Java. It means that if a keyword is defined with all small case letters, we cannot capitalize any letter that is int is different from int. So the keyword is int in small letter, but if you type int in with this capital I has different meaning. So this will not be taken as a keyword and will not be executed and could not be understood by the compiler. Former is a keyword, whereas later is not. Third point, each statement ends with a semicolon symbol, which acts like a line terminator. So let's execute a program and we'll see that how a C function works with, and we will identify all the parts we have discussed, like the first one, which was the link section or the header section. The second one was main section. Third one is the body of main section. So let's switch to the ID code blast where I will execute a program and I'll show you to guys. So here we are at this is the layout of the code blast. From here we'll go to the new and then click on an empty file in order to type a C program over here. So I'm gonna save it, save this file in the C programs, and you can see this is under the D drive. Over here I'm gonna type the name as message msg dot. Since the extension is C or C++ file, so I'm gonna save, just save, press the save button. So I'm going to save it with the, so you can see the dots is an extension. So I will type first the command as identify different parts of the following C program. So first we will type the hero files includes by typing the keyword include, and then type the first keyword stdio.h, which is a standard input output header file. Second one is the conio.h. Now we will type the second part, which consists of void main function, which is the second section, and third one is the body of the main function. So you can see the body starts from the opening curly braces from here and over here. It closes over here and it opens from here. So under this body we will type use a printf function, type printf and type a message enclosed in parentheses and then double quotes close, and enclosed in the double quotes I will type I'm a student of grade 10, like this. And then I'll type a getch function. Getch actually hold the character on the screen so that user can see the output on the screen. If I don't use it, then the screen will just show and then disappears. In order to hold it for until the user press any key, you can see the output on the screen. So this is the build button, so I'm going to click on it, so you can see that there is no error message, 0 errors, 0 warnings, 0 minutes, 1 second time taken to execute this program. I'm going to click on the run button, so you can see the I'm a student of grade 6 is the. So this is the purpose of getch function. So you can see that unless I press any key or click anywhere, the output console can be seen on the computer screen. So if I press any key like enter, or you can see press any key to continue, then you can get out of that. So if I make it a comment and then execute this program, first I build it, compile it, and there's 0 errors, 0 warnings, program is accurate. So you can see that I'm a student of grade X, press any key to continue. So if you use CLR, then it will clear the contents of the screen as well. First I build the program by clicking the build button, then click on the run button. So sometimes the CLR doesn't work with the code blocks, and there's no need to be worried about. So you can see now the screen is completely clear, but sometimes it works and sometimes it displays some error messages. So first I try to use it without the comment, but the compiler make a disturbance and you see a message. But now after making a comment and then again remove the comment, double forward slashes, you can see now it can run successfully. If you build it, you can build it without any error, but at the build time you can see the error and you run it, then you can again have a problem with this. So you can use double forward slash build it, this program, run it. So you can see the output on the screen. Now there is no need to type the CR function in this program. So this is how we can identify. This is the header section. So if I type, this is the header section, which consists of a hash include and the name of the header file. Like there are 2 header files included in this program, stdio.h and conio.h. Likewise, the main section is the second section as the main function, and it is the starting and an ending point. And inside the structure, this is the body of the main function, which is the third section. So you can see that this is a printf function which is used to display the output on the screen, and it is always have parenthesis and then semicolon, and whatever you want to show and display on the screen should always be enclosed in the double quotes. And getch is a get character function which is used to hold the screen until a user presses any keys to get out of that output console. So this is the output console screen. This is the debugger area where you can see the errors messages, and this is the text editor area where you can type the program of C language. So viewers, if you type just the value, if I use a variable with name integer a and give a value 10 to it, so this is the right hand side, the constant is always assigned to a variable. On the left hand side, by using an assignment operator, this is the rule of assigning values to a variable in any programming language. So if I just type print enclosed a in the double quotes, so I can see a on the screen, but I want to see the value stored in a. So what should I do? First I build this program, run this program, so you can see a on the first line, I'm a student of grade 10 in the second line. So in order to see the value stored in a, what should I do? And you can see by typing the back forward slash, you can print the other line below to the first line. So there are 3 spaces. You can see 3 spaces between a and I'm a student of grade 10. So in order to see the value stored in a, we need to type. So this should be kept in mind that whatever is stored in the double quotes used with the printf statement will be displayed as it is on the screen. So we don't want the a to be printed on the screen. So what should we do? we will first type the value stored in A, closing single quotes, is, and then I'll need to type a %i, which is a format specifier, comma, and A. So the output of the screen will be, because whatever is closed in double quotes will be displayed on the screen. So the message, the value stored in single quote, a single quote is ... will be displayed as it is on the screen. But since I have used a format specifier used for integer value, so the value of stored in A will be replaced over here, and you can see 10 instead of %i. So this is how this format specifier works with the variable. So this is the variable used with this format specifier. So you will see the output 10 on the screen. So I'm gonna build this program. You can see in the right, run this, so you can see the output. The value stored in A is 10, and I'm a student of grade 10 in the second printf message used with the format specifier. 3 format specifiers are used in this program. So these are actually the escape sequence. So this is how we can display a value of stored in a variable using C program. So you can see, if I change the value, we can see that value on the screen. If I type 50 instead of 10, first I need to build it, then run it. So you can see 50 in place of 10. So that's all, viewers. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we will discuss the purpose of syntax of comments in a C program. Thanks for watching.